Here's how to use quantum manifestation in 3 minutes or less. First, you have to realize that our reality is far from physical. We perceive it as physical, but even mainstream science proves that we are mostly made up of empty space. Everything is built from the ground up. Energy turns into particles, and particles stack to create bigger things that we call things, like the house, the car, the relationship, the dream life. If you try to create from your physical body, you only look at life as a physical thing, then you will get there, but you will get there very slowly. Instead, you must work from the ground up, which is faster anyway. Your thoughts are directions, your emotions are the fuel, and your focus controls both. An emotion follows a thought. You can think of this as an indicator, if the thought is going to manifest a positive outcome or not. If it feels negative, then the outcome will be negative. If it feels positive, the outcome will be positive. So use your emotion as gauges that will tell you what you are manifesting and how it will make you feel once it happens. They are indicators, but they're also the fuel to which you quantum jump with. Your only job to make the quantum leap is to completely and utterly leave behind your thought process that you currently have. That same thought process will create more of the same. You must ditch it. Your only job now is to focus entirely on the outcome in which you want. If you want more money, focus on having a lot more money. If thoughts of lack come up, ignore them and restart your money focus. Same with love, same with health, and anything else. It's literally that simple. You make the jump instantly, but you go back and forth between the realities that you feel like you didn't even make the jump. So you just have to stay there. That's it. So like the video and subscribe if you'd be so kind, and comment down below your thoughts, and catch you when we align once again. Thanks for watching.